Hello children, Sai Ram. Today in English period we are going to learn grammar. Chapter 11 Conjunctions Part 2 we are going to study. In Part 1 we have seen children that conjunctions are joining words because they join two sentences, phrases or clauses. So few of the examples I have written here like and, but, or, otherwise, since, unless, though, although, yet, else, etc. So we have studied that conjunctions are the joining words and we have seen some of the examples of the conjunctions and we have solved activity A and B in part 1. And today in part 2 we are going to complete the chapter by solving our activity C and D which is given on page number 84 and 85. So come on, open your page number 84. Question C. Join each pair of sentences by using though, although, yet or still. So out of these 4 conjunctions, we are going to use any one conjunction which will be best suited while joining the sentences. So let's read the first question quickly. She is poor, she is generous. So we are going to use although to join these two sentences. Although she is poor, she is generous. In one more way we can join these sentences, that is, she is poor yet generous. Let's see second question. She is an honest woman, she is very poor. She is an honest woman, she is very poor. So how we are going to join the sentences? Which conjunction we will write here? Though. So, though she is very poor, she is an honest woman. Third sentence. The rich man is not happy. The rich man is not happy. He has a lot of wealth. These two sentences are given. And our answer will be, although the rich man has a lot of wealth, he is not happy. Although the rich man has a lot of wealth, he is not happy. Fourth sentence, the teacher taught him well, he failed. And the answer is, the teacher taught him well, yet he failed. We used conjunction yet here. Fifth question. Naina was weak in all subjects. She passed the examination. And answer is, although Naina was weak in all subjects, she passed the examination. Let's move ahead and solve D question. Fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunctions. Now children, fill in the blanks we have to do, and while filling these gaps, we have to use the correct and suitable conjunction. So let's read the first question. Either mend your ways, dash leave the school. Either mend your ways. So we learn that always or comes with either. So either mend your ways or leave the school. Make hay, dash the sun shines. Make hay while the sun shines. Third question. Raju will stand first in the class, dash he works hard. When will Raju come stand in first in the class? If he works hard. He is rich, dash dishonest. He is rich but dishonest. He is rich but Here is should come. But is dishonest. Look dash you leap. Look before you leap. We waited dash the train arrived. We waited till the train arrived. Seventh question. Play well dash leave the team. Play well or leave the team. Geeta will sing dash we request her. When will Geeta sing? If we request her. She heard the news dash began to weep. She heard the news and began to weep. 10th question. My mother returned home dash her sister had left. My mother returned home before her sister had left. She neither dances nor sings. Either take it or leave it. Either take it or leave it. Next question. Very simple. As you sow, so shall you reap. It's very hot, dash we cannot go out. So, it is very hot, so we cannot go out. To err is human, but to forgive is divine. Easy? Done? Good. Now turn the page and see question E. Here we are going to add suitable conjunctions. And the paragraph is given and the heading of the paragraph is salad sensations. Okay, now we have to read the paragraph and wherever the blank place is given, we have to use suitable conjunction there. Salads are served as appetizers dash snacks. Salads are served as appetizers and snacks. They cool your body. What will come here? They cool your body dash they are packed with vitamins dash. They cool your body as they are packed with vitamins and nutrients. Indian salads are mostly mixed with beaten curd dash lemon. What will come? Indian salads are mostly mixed with beaten curd and lemon. The main ingredients required to make a salad are raw vegetables, fruits and sprouts. Here dash is there. So in this dash what will come? But salad dressing dash seasoning make it tastier. Salad dressing and seasoning. So here we will write and seasoning make it tastier. Some people have salads dash they have the main course. Some people have salads when they have the main course. You can decide if you want to add salad dressing. Some people do not have salads regularly dash they do not know its nutritious value. So what we will write here? Some people do not have salads regularly because they do not know its nutritious value. Go ahead dash have salads. Go ahead dash have salads. So what we will write here? Go ahead. Yes, go ahead and have salads every day if you want to be healthy. Interesting? But you need to practice it more. Okay. So here we have covered our conjunctions part 2, wherein we have revised what we learnt in part 1, that conjunctions are the joining words. Then we have revised the examples of the conjunctions, and we have solved activity C, D and E today. So let's stop here, children. Sai Ram.